Hi everyone, I've got a Peugeot 207 SW here. The three things we're doing on this. First of all, we're doing a pollen filter, and then that's the cabin filter for the aircon air vents. The second one I'm going to do is how to reset the service light on this one, and the third one, location for the fuse for the power socket, which is the cigarette lighter. So we'll show you those. Before we do everything, let's show you how it's done. Now this is the cover that you need to remove. On the inside there, that's the pollen filter. As you can see, it's quite dirty. So what we want to do is remove it. By removing it, you've got a couple of clips on the side here. So just going to remove the clips first. And then there's one on the other side as well. So move that clip back. This comes down. As it comes down, you gently pull this out, because there is a lot of rubbish on it. Like, you don't want it going inside the car. So gently pull it out. As you can see, that's quite dirty. So we're going to replace it. This is how I took it out. So the point on this one is facing down. So the arrow is going to have to face down. There is a lot of rubbish inside, as you can see inside the little box. So what I'm going to do, get my hand in there and then get rid of the rubbish. I'll clean that up in a minute, but do this. Now we get the pollen filter out. There's two pollen filters, so there is one more as well. Okay, there's another one right inside. As you can see on the right hand side, there's a small one. So what you do, squeeze your hand through, gently pull it out towards you. As you can see, I'm just pulling it out. That's the second one, so it's a small one. So the arrow there on this one is facing up. So we're going to face up. One facing up, one facing down, but for some reason I think that may have been fitted incorrectly. So we're going to have them both facing down. Right, okay, this is the small one we're going to put in first. That's how it's going to go. So we slot it in through the gap. Once it goes in, you turn the filter around. As you turn it around, then it goes, just slots in nice and easy. Right, okay, so that's not the way. So what I'm going to do, put it in like this now. So it's the other way. Obviously I got it wrong the first time. So this is it. And the second one, facing down again, it should just slot in nice and easy as well. That's it. And then put the cover back on. On this side, clip it in, clip it in. Clip this back in as well. So you've got two little lugs here. There's one here, there's one there. They go slot in to these bits here. Cool, that's done. Now we're going to show you how the service light is reset. And if you follow me. So this one is quite a simple one. Now you see here, that's a spanner light. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of the spanner light. So I need to press this button here, switch the ignition on, and the countdown begins. That's it. Switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. As you can see, it's 20,000 now. So that's all you got to do on the service side of it there. Now we're going to show you how to replace the fuse for a cigarette lighter. That's a cigarette lighter, which is a socket, auxiliary socket for your chargers and everything else. So we're going to show you how it's done. So if you follow me around, just go to the other side, please. Now this is the bit where it goes. So that's the cover you need to remove first. So that you got a little lug on the top. So push the lug in. And then gently pull this out towards you. As you pull it out, it's the bottom there. That's the fuse box there, as you can see right at the bottom. So you need to go down from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the amp 30. That's F9. That's what you need to replace. That's for the auxiliary socket. So that's all you got to do on this one. This one is it. This one here is working, so I don't need to replace it. I'm just going to show you how it's, where it is location wise. That's it. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much.